All right, Wednesday morning, rise and shine. It's time to get after it. And here's 3 things you need to know in order to start your trading day. 1, markets are higher across the board. Seeing strength in the Dow, strength in the S&P, strength in the Nasdaq in the pre-market hours. Saw strength in Asia and Europe overnight as well. Big day yesterday, 2% move higher in the Dow, just shy of a 2% move higher in the S&P. Yesterday morning, had a retail sales number that came out and just absolutely crushed it, beating consensus estimates on the street. That drove these markets higher. Also had news around a potential coronavirus vaccine and some positive results there. That drove the markets higher. We've got the Fed pumping money into the economy right now, buying up corporate bonds. That's providing support, driving these markets higher. Number 2, we got Jay Powell, part 2 today. So Jay Powell was on the Hill yesterday speaking before Congress. We've got the second of those talks coming today. Now, he did say yesterday that it's going to take a little bit of time before we get to pre-pandemic levels in the economy, which would be expected. That put a little bit of a top on yesterday's rally. We'll see what he says today, so something to be mindful of. Finally, we got a big initial jobless claims number coming out tomorrow. So for those of you folks looking to make a prediction, get in on Nadex today. Make that prediction in our initial jobless claims contract. Again, comes out tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. A lot going on right now. Some exciting times in the market, a lot of volatility, a lot of trading opportunity out there. Great time to be in on Nadex. I'll check in with you folks again tomorrow. Check in with us on Twitter and Facebook today. We'll keep you posted as more news comes out. Hope you all have a good day. Stay safe, stay healthy. Let's get out there and do something nice for someone else.